Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone had a great holiday. As you can see, we have a mail call today, just one coin. I do also just want to make a quick announcement that very shortly I will be doing my famed typeset. I know I've mentioned it multiple different times, and I've had a couple of people message me wondering what actually is in that typeset, and seems like there's actually been some excitement about it, so I definitely want to do that video. I did just want to put together a couple more pieces before showcasing that collection, but we can go ahead and do that, and I figured as I get more coins I can just kind of do updates to the typeset instead of just, you know, the completed typeset that I wanted. But let's go ahead and get into this coin real quick. Now, speaking of proof, well, as I drop scissors, speaking of the proof typeset, the coin that's in here is a proof. However, it is not going to go into the proof typeset. And the reason for that is I do have another coin that already fills that slot. The reason I got this coin is because it was a great deal. I got it in an auction. Got it in an auction. It was a great deal. I had plans on turning around and selling it. So if you are interested, again, go ahead and send me a message in Instagram. Again, my Instagram name is CatDadBod. I'll go ahead and link it. But just check out that. That is awesome. I also really like it too because it's a red. It's not a red brown. It's not a brown. You know, yes, it is a proof, so you would expect it to come back as a red. But no, it's just really, really clean, and most of the ones that I do see actually are red brown. But yeah, 1938. PCGS Proof 64 Red wheat cent. It's actually pretty interesting how expensive some of these coins actually are. And whenever I tell you I got a good deal for it, I still paid quite a bit for it. A little bit more than you would actually expect. But it's actually worth even more than that. But no, just definitely a beautiful coin. Again, if you're interested, let me know. And be on the lookout for that video that's coming up. Thank you again for visiting.